We all know that dreaded feeling when you go out to your car and you hit the key and all you hear is that click. Unfortunately, that probably means your starter has failed. Right now we've got a 2006 Jeep Cherokee in the shop. It's having some intermittent issues where the customer goes to try to start the vehicle and he just gets a click. After hitting the key 2 or 3 times, it eventually starts. That indicates that there is an issue internally in the starter where it's not making a good connection. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the starter out, replace it with a new starter. It comes with a lifetime warranty, 3 years, 36,000 miles on the labor. So that way the customer knows for the next 3 years he's definitely got full coverage on his vehicle in case there was another issue of it not starting. Please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to take a look at it for you, and we look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.